This video is for general information only and is not a substitute for advice from your own GP, pharmacist, or healthcare professional. Should you combine anything with retatrutide, here's the UK safety context and why the honest answer might surprise you. If you've been hearing people talk about stacking things with retatrutide and wondering what that actually means, you're not alone. It's a question that's coming up a lot in weight management and research communities right now, so let's cut through the noise. First, the most important thing you need to know, retatrutide, also known as LY 3437943, is an investigational medicine. It has not been approved by the MHRA or the EMA. It does not have a UK marketing authorization. It is not available on the NHS, and it is not NICE endorsed. Right now, it is restricted to regulated clinical trials only. So when people ask what to stack with it, the honest clinical answer is no combination is recommended because retatrutide itself is not yet a licensed treatment. It's worth understanding what makes retatrutide different from medicines like semaglutide or tirzepatide. It targets 3 hormonal receptors at once: GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon. GLP-1 receptor activation helps promote insulin secretion, suppress glucagon, and reduce appetite. The GIP component may further support metabolic function, though researchers are still working out exactly how much it contributes, and glucagon receptor activation may increase energy expenditure, but it can also raise hepatic glucose output and heart rate. The full clinical picture is still being established in ongoing trials. So what does the evidence say about combining retatrutide with other substances? No pharmacological combination, including supplements or prescribed medicines, has been clinically validated or endorsed for use alongside retatrutide outside of a regulated clinical trial. There are specific safety risks worth knowing about. Combining retatrutide with insulin or sulfonylurias would carry a meaningful risk of hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. There are also concerns around gastrointestinal interactions, pancreatitis, gallbladder disease, and dehydration-related acute kidney injury. These require proper clinical oversight, not guesswork. The MHRA has issued strong warnings against sourcing unlicensed medicines online. If you've seen retatrutide being sold outside of a clinical trial setting, that is not a legitimate or safe source. If you or someone you know experiences an adverse reaction to any unlicensed medicine, please report it through the Yellow Card scheme at yellowcard.mhra.gov.uk. Now, while no supplement stack is clinically recommended alongside retatrutide, there are lifestyle approaches that are considered evidence-based complements to weight management more broadly: adequate protein intake, resistance exercise, prioritizing good sleep, and reducing alcohol. These are the kinds of habits that support overall metabolic health and are generally recommended alongside any weight management approach. If you're currently part of a clinical trial involving retatrutide or considering combining it with anything, supplements, over-the-counter products, or other prescribed medicines, please speak to your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes. Do not adjust your regimen without that conversation first. And if at any point you experience symptoms that concern you, signs of low blood sugar, severe abdominal pain, changes in heart rate, or anything that feels unusual, contact a healthcare professional promptly. For severe or life-threatening symptoms, call 999. For urgent advice, contact NHS 111. So to recap, retatrutide is investigational and not MHRA approved, EMA approved, or NICE endorsed. No combination pharmacotherapy or supplement stack is clinically validated for use alongside it, and lifestyle measures, protein intake, resistance training, sleep, and reducing alcohol are the evidence-based foundations worth focusing on. Have questions about weight management medicines or how to have these conversations with your doctor? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the Bolt Pharmacy channel for more medically reviewed health content.